Hey everyone, Jeremy here with JBL. You know, we make great sounding products to get great sound in your car. I've got a full new assortment of amplifiers here from JBL. We've got our new Stadium Series amplifiers. Not only are they a small footprint, but they pack a massive punch. 600 watt monoblock, I have a 1000 watt mono, a 4-channel, and again, a full system 5-channel. So you can do one amplifier to cover everything if space is limited in your car. And then, of course, who doesn't like tons of power with a great price point? I have my new Club Series amplifier, 1000 watt monoblock that comes with the bass knob in the box. So when you want to hammer it, you crank it up. Maybe not so much this morning, it was a rough night last night, we can back it down. I've got my new Stage Series amplifiers, small footprint, great efficiency from our digital Class D, and of course, thump in the trunk. I've got my dual stage enclosure, 212s with a slot port. This box hammers. If you're looking to do something maybe a little bit different, a little custom, I've got my club woofers and I've got my monster JBL Stadium Series woofer, which will just literally rip your face off. Loves power, loves to pound, uses aero-cooled technology so you can play loud for a long period of time. Thanks for checking out all the new stuff here at CES with JBL at 2018.